And more records for the market today, but on a very, very quiet market day today. Strong rally in tech that we saw all day today. The S&Ps ended up slightly on the day. The Nasdaq was the gainer on the day, ending up about 1% on a FANG rally. The FANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, they all rallied about 1% today, and the Dow was pretty much flat, slightly higher at the end of the day. And this was all coming on the heels of a worse than expected weekly jobs number this morning. A number of 744,000 came in, jobless claims, over the expectation of about 694,000. During the day, though, we did get continued very, very dovish talk out of Chairman Powell, reiterating his very dovish stance, talking pretty much how he's not so concerned about inflation, and the markets really just kind of took that in stride and just continued, flat to modestly higher on the day. And we also got some news from President Biden saying that he is willing to compromise as part of his infrastructure plan on the proposed tax increase. ES option data from yesterday. Total of 407,000 options, ES options traded yesterday. Pretty heavy on the put side. 68% of all volume was on the put side. The volume leader on the day was the end of month, end of week 3, April 4,000 put, 7,300 of those traded. Volatility still, really trending down at about the lowest point we've seen in about a year. So we're seeing the unexpected move in the S&Ps to tomorrow of about $20, going out to next Friday of about $60. And we saw the volatility in the NASDAQ space really touch a low point and end just a tad higher today. Bitcoin had a pretty hard sell-off yesterday, rally back today of about $2,000 or so. Lower futures volume here at the CME, but keep in mind, talking about Bitcoin futures, that on May 3rd, the CME is launching micro Bitcoin futures, which will be 1/10 the size of the futures that trade now. And then another product CME is launching next week, the E-mini NASDAQ 100 options that will expire on both Monday and Wednesday.